Kuhinga kana kuhingura thukuru ni ndereti ikoretwo igithie na mbere kwa ihinda riri bururi urathie na mbere kuhurana na king'uki gia corona nginyagia riu ari o arutwo a grade ya kana kirathi gia kanana na form 4 macokererie mathomo. Ciuria nyingi irikoretwo igithie na mbere ni hamwe na mutaratara uria kuhuthika wona thukuru ciacokereria niguo gutigirira ati arutwo matinorirwo ni mwaka ungi umwe. Akiaria hindi ya ndumiriri kuri bururi, mutongoria wa bururi ni oritie ministry ya githomo kuheana mwerekera ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri ciukite, akiuga gutiri murutwo ona umwe ubatie gutigirirwo wona thukuru ciacokereria.
The Ministry of Education will, within 14 days of the date hereof, announce the 2021 academic calendar, with all other classes expected to resume learning in January of 2021. And even as we prepare to reopen schools, I once again reiterate that no child will be left behind, even those who unfortunately have transitioned into being young parents.
No ona thukuru ikihinguragwo, omwe wa morito maria makoreire thirikari maitho ni unyihu wa irathi na nyumba cia toro, kuona riu no nginyagia arutwo mathingate mawatho maria magathikitwo niguo kuhurana na king'uki giki.
Currently, there is an urgent need for construction and equipping of more dormitories, classes, and other amenities to further facilitate ease of learning for our children. Indeed, conscious of the fact that significant financial resources will be deployed towards the construction of at least 12,500 new classrooms and related school facilities.
Abunge riu ni moritio kuhuthira kigina kiria mamukagira kia ukuria kwamba kugacirithia mathukuru thiini wa icigo ciao cia ubunge.
Through a combination of interventions, both policy and financial, involving the Ministry of Education, county governments, and members of the National Assembly, through the National Government Constituency Development Fund, we shall have the necessary resources to address the infrastructure gap to our education sector conclusively within the next 24 months.
Ihinda-ini riu, Ministry ya Githomo onyitanirine na Ministry ya Waki ni ciuritio kuheana mubango wa uria irathi njeru na nyumba cia toro igwakwo niguo kunyihia muhatikano wa arutwo.
The intervention of these guidelines will achieve transparent and standardized bills of quantity that will guarantee value for taxpayer money.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni agathiririe makinya maria thirikari itacukitie niguo kugacirithia githomo guku bururi-ini ari hamwe na kurugurio kwa mutaratara mweru wa mathomo.
I assure this distinguished sitting that the journey to replace the 844 system with a new fit-for-purpose curricula is well underway, and refinements are being undertaken in the course of implementation.
Oho akiuga kwa ihinda ria miaka iri kirumanirio thirikari ni hotete gukinyaniria gicunji kiigana kuigana kia arutwo aria maraingira thukuru-ini cia secondary o mwaka.
Mungu awabariki na Mungu ailinde taifa letu la Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.
Haya.